Hey, here's a quick refresher on how to make a graph in Google Sheets. So after you've entered your data, you want to highlight the entire graph, hold down the Shift key, click in those two squares, and then click the chart button. Okay, there we go. It pops up like that for me. If I want to change the title, I can just do that right here, um, like this. You'll notice that there are two different colors for the different columns, which is great. If you got the wrong kind of chart, you could also, if it came a pie chart, for example, you can change that here in Setup. Customize is fun because you can change a bunch of different things. So, for example, you could make it three-dimensional. Here, ooh, fancy. You can change the, sorry, you can change the, make sure you have the, oh, look, I don't have a label on this axis. So I have to go over here and I have to go y-axis, vertical axis, and I have to say number of students. Okay, good. Next, I have to make sure, or another thing that I can play with is here in this series right here. I can change, it says apply to all series, but I can change the colors of these. So with variation of trait, I could say fill color, and I could make it this pretty blue. Then I can change without the variation. I could change it to, let's see, let's make it this nice kind of orange. Okay. All right, so you can do stuff like that. And one other thing I want to show you here in chart, is that chart style? Maybe series? I always forget where it is. Okay, one other thing you could do is change the way the graph looks. You can go to Setup, this size, and you can go to Stacking, and you could have it stack like this. So then you see that we had 20 students in this class. This many kids had blue eyes, brown eyes. These kids didn't have it. So that's another really nice way to organize your data. So there's lots of different things that you can do, experiment a little bit, and get used to using Google Sheets.